Inspector's Handbook on Research on Educational Communications and Technology, Wiley describes learning objects as resources that can be used and reused to enhance learning. He explains that learning objects is not a new concept and goes on to describe several different views or definitions of learning objects, such as knowledge objects, instructional objects, shareable content objects, and resources. Several different metaphors have been used to describe learning objects. Wiley uses the brick and mortar metaphor to illustrate how mortar holds bricks together as learning objects hold educational technology together. This, Wiley says, means that learning objects hold the educational technology together. He introduced the Oz model that moves in a sequence from simple to difficult that is introduced by the teacher. Wiley admits that this use of learning objects, metadata, and cataloging has its limitations. In this week's presentation by Dr. David Holder, Dr. Holder talked about the controversy over using the metaphor of the truck carrying produce does not improve the nutritional value of the produce it carries, but it's only a means of reaching its point of delivery. This, he says, is what the learning object does. It carries points of learning. At this point, there is much controversy over the benefit of learning objects to educational technologies, according to Holder. Open source software and open standards are useful in assisting software effectiveness in educational technology today. This form of sharing software among researchers is the same as how they used to share with publications, reports, notes, and conferences, according to Spector in his Handbook on Research on Educational Communications and Technology. E-learning provides an opportunity interoperably including learning objects. This enables interoperability between communities and between countries, according to Simonson's book, Teaching and Learning at a Distance. As researchers continue to work on collaboration, the work of Wiley on learning objects should benefit in ways to share ideas for developing ways of participating in workshops, conferences, and journals, providing feedback at a lower cost and reduced effort. Thank you. Have a great week.